Good evening, everybody. Today we have a very, very exciting and a little bit of a different kind of a challenge for the guys over here. So with me, as you know, we have Robeytech, and we also have Jeremy from Cyberpower. So what we have tonight, the difference, the twist, is we're gonna do a speed build, but every 5 minutes, these guys have to eat one of these amazing chips that have the haunted ghost pepper.
I've eaten spicy food, and I've eaten hot food like hot wings and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But this could be really blooming hot. We have no idea, and not really sure how this is gonna go. On top of having the stuff that we have here, we also have a place to throw up. So
Right over there.
should we need to, unfortunately I have a show tomorrow morning, so I'm hoping this doesn't take me out.
I mean, I don't have a show like that, but I will be at TwitchCon at our booth, so I mean, hopefully I'll be okay. You know, I'm not gonna be dying.
Son of a biscuit eater.
I wanna make sure that our chip is of the same size, okay?
Yeah.
All right.
It doesn't smell too dangerous. I mean, if you wanna...
Dude, I have no
It
idea.
actually smells pretty.
It smells okay.
Yeah, all right. Here
Cheers.
we go.
Here we go.
3, 2, and let's go. All right, so we start building right now. So we're doing a fast build. Now, I really
Oh
want
my
to see
God,
their
this is actually getting hot.
Yeah, give us a little bit of the feeling of how does that feel on that there.
It doesn't feel good at all. It's actually really warm.
You guys are moving fast. Earlier today, Robey had probably the steadiest hand when he was pouring LN2.
Oh,
right
yes.
now is like, man.
Yeah, now I'm like
night and
just
day.
trying to survive. Oh my gosh,
Is this
it
in?
burns so much.
Is this in? Okay, it's in. We're in.
Stupid
M.2
bracket.
done.
I have to take one too.
Okay, here's my next one.
Oh, I'm glad you got me the small one.
Okay.
Is this too small? Okay,
Okay.
no, it's a...
Oh,
All right, so
it burns so.
it burns, doesn't like the side of your tongue.
Come on, please come out.
There's a little bit of a sting. There it is. Like
Oh,
at the end, it
yeah.
has this kick.
Yeah, it's got the kick at the end.
Woohoo.
And it's getting worse. It's after the second chip is actually worse than the first chip. It keeps getting worse.
Wait, he has an electric screwdriver? That's cheating.
All right,
Like
scale 1
it's like
to
a
10.
7.
Guys, it's all right. Scale 1 to 10 is
I
what's
agree.
your-
It'd be around a 7.
It's a 7 right now.
7.
Where are you mounting your radio? Are you gonna do it on top? Top? Okay,
All
I'll
right,
copy
so
you.
for me, I'll go with the guys. It's a 7.
It's a 7.
Cheers. Cheers.
Why is always mine the biggest one? Cases is starting to fly in.
Yo, this
All
guy
right.
is insane.
So just to be at the same pace as these guys are, I'm going to have number 3 because they already have number 3.
I just want everybody to see that I'm hand screwing. All right.
You can use this here.
We believe
How does
in
it work?
you.
How does it
I
work?
want you to
Button?
be done with this too.
All right.
It hurts.
So going back to the question of 1 to 10.
It's like a 9 now.
9.5
keeps
for me.
getting, It just
9.5
keeps
for
getting
me.
worse.
Oh, my nose. Jeremy has a lot of screws out, and we're not talking about the ones on his head. These are not our favorite chips, but you know who our favorite chippy is?
Oh yeah.
There you go. That's our boy. There's Chippy.
I'm very self-conscious at the moment. Robey is moving at the speed of light.
Hey, guys. I have a great surprise for you. Guess what time it is?
I don't want to know.
One
Chips.
more
Where are my
chip.
chips?
Wait, you too, right?
What? No.
Oh no,
Here.
just us.
Oh my God, we have to do front panel connectors.
That's going to be fun.
I was just gonna hotwire it.
Oh, you're a jerk.
10 minutes left.
Wait, what do you mean?
Yeah, you only got 10 minutes for
To finish to do the build?
No pressure.
Oh my God! Wait, what?
One more chip.
One more.
Okay,
chip.
okay.
All right,
one more
let's
chip.
go. Let's get ready for the chip.
That-
Dude, go.
I already have the radiator inside, so I might have some technical difficulties, but I'm hoping my fingers are nimble enough that I can get it in, and yes, I did.
You know, the sad part about this is dinner. Do not speak or inhale when you are chewing that chip.
What is
Oh
this
my
connected
God.
to? Where are these
That was a new
things
experience.
coming from?
I had to take my radiator off.
My tongue is on fire. 1 minute, guys, 1 minute, and then I'm gonna pick the winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Jeremy had to jump on that video card to get it in. 3, 2, 1, time. All right,
Hold on,
guys, time. Screws down, screwdrivers down. All
Build's
right.
done too.
Oh my God, Robey's
All
looks
right.
so much better
All right,
than mine.
first of all, high five to you guys. High five to the guys. If we're gonna judge this by the amount of how
Stuff plugged in.
this stuff plugged in, I think Robey has it. All right.
Oh,
Robey's
mine's on.
Oh,
Oh, mine's on.
No,
Robey
Yours is on. Yours is
Oh,
on.
it is
It
on.
is on.
Oh, it is on.
I'll declare Robey the winner, and Jeremy
No.
will have to eat one.
No,
more.
No,
We are the
I'll eat.
Everyone
You
eat
know
the
what?
chip.
No, you guys can eat one. I'll eat 2 more. How about that?
All right,
It's
all right.
fair. I lost. I accept my defeat. Robey, you're the. Oh, you already ate a chip. Okay.
Oh, it's a face-off now. All right, I want to see this. All right. Oh, no. Jeremy flinching, but he's not wanting to know. Robey's getting a little bit here, hand shaky with who's going to finish this first. I can do it. Should I go grab the bucket? I think these guys are doing pretty well. Ladies and gentlemen, this has been crazy. This has been fun. It's been amazing.
To be honest, wait. I want to see if mine actually posted. I got boot.
Guys, thank you very much for being in with us. Sorry, I'm speaking with my mouth full. See you guys. Have a great night.
Peace.
Peace.